Hello again, everyone. So, for this form, what I want to do, if there's no form being set up or added to this widget, what I want to is to display a text. So that text will tell the user to go for the widget into the widget and add that contact form shortcode. Okay, so basically, I will add else here. If there's no if there's no sidebar, we need to add uh, else. Okay, and for the else, let's I will copy. Let me copy these. To, let's save some time and paste. Okay, so we will tell the user to you need to set up a contact form. You need to go to the dashboard contacts and create a new form. Then you go to the then grab the short code and go to the widget and add that short code and then save. That's the steps the user you need to do. So let's save and let's go into here. We can go to the dashboard to the widget, and if we go to here and cut these and delete the text. Okay, so let's reload, and you can see that we have this text for the steps. Okay, so let's get this back to our widget and paste that here and save. In this case, you can add title, but I don't see that there's no need to add the title into here because we already have this title. You can add title here, of course, if you want. So let's go ahead and create a social media menu. So let's go to menus, and for the menus, we need to add a new menu. And to do that, basically, you need to go into your menus. Let's go to basically we need to add it from our functions. So in here, when we where we added this primary menu, so we need to add another one. In this case, I will call this contact or social. Okay, and then this escape function and the social menu. Let's save. Let's get back and reload. Okay, and now menu. Now we have this social menu. So we need to go ahead and create a new menu, and I will call this social menu. And let's create for now. And we can add here, we can add custom links. So basically we can put the URL and the text for that or the label for that item of that menu. So let's add Twitter or Facebook.com. Can add Facebook here. Let's add to menu. Okay, and we need to add Twitter.com and Twitter to menu. Let's add, what is it? We can add a mail. So if you tap instead of HTTP, you can type mail to, and then the address, uh, the the email address. So in this case, I will put mine. Can add email here. Okay, let's add, and also you can add any other social, YouTube. You can add YouTube, of course, for example. Okay, let's add this before the email. Okay, if we save now, we just have this links and this text for this menu. So what we want to do is to add some, let's see, we need to add icon for this menu. So uh, we want to be able to add a custom icon for each of these items. So to do that, we need to add a new plugin, and let's see. Okay, we need to add a plugin called menu icons. Search for this plugin. This is the plugin we need to install. So let's install. Okay, let's activate. Okay, so now we can go to get back to our menus, and in this social menu, we need to open one of the items here, and you can see that we have this option for icon. Okay, so you can click select, and you can select the icon you want. So in this case, let's search for Facebook. Okay, so choose the icon, and also you can hide the label, so you don't want to display the text of that item, so you can hide it or just display it. In my case, I will not display it. You can make it bigger, so in this case I will make this 4 em. Let's try 4. Okay, I'll leave this as it is. So let's select. Okay, it's been added, so let's add the same way. Let's add for Twitter. So let's add Twitter. Okay, and also we need this for, oops, 4 em. You can hide the label and select. Also for YouTube, you can add, let's see, video. You can add this one, and let's hide, and let's make this 4, and let's select, and let's get into the email, and let's see, we need to add envelope. Oops. Is it? That's right. Let's search for envelopes. Okay, this email. So let's select this. Now let's hide make this 4. Okay, let's select, and now let's save. So now we have the menu. So we need to go to our code and display this menu inside our templates. So what I want to do, basically, I want to grab this div for the social menu and make it before. let's make it before this contact form. So in this case, it will be here. The social media will be here, and the contact form will be on the right side. So let's add this here. Okay, and basically we need to uh, WP nav menu, and for the arguments we need to add an array, and we need to add position for that menu. So let's add theme location, and that should be social. Oops, what did I do here? Oops, why is that? Is it that's yes, that's right. First one, the second one, okay. And we need social, and then we need to add a container class, and I will add a class of a social menu. Okay, and for the menu class, I will add let's see, we need to add menu class. I will add, what is it, list, or list unstyled. It's a bootstrap class for menus. So let's save for now. Let's save and let's get back and let's reload. Okay, so we have this menu, which is not the right one. Is it social or social? Let's make sure. This is social. Okay. Social menu, container class, menu class, that would be nav menu. Isn't that right? I think it's right. It's not displaying the right menu. Oh, what we did here is, I think it's right. It's the right menu. And there's no syntax error. It's syntax is right. So let's make sure that we set the location. No, we need to set the location of this menu. So we need to set this menu to this social menu location. And let's save. Okay, and let's reload. And now we have this menu for basically it's for social media. So obviously it needs some styles, so we can go to our CSS and add some styles. So in this case we need to target these items. So let's go to, we are inside call to action and social menu, and then we need to target the list and make it okay. Let's go to call to action. So let's get into our CSS file, and we need to grab this, and let's go to, oops, let's go to um, social menu, social menus, that's right. And then we need to go social menu, we need to go to each item. Okay, so let's target the menu item. Okay, and let's add a margin bottom of 1 en. Okay, and we need to target also the anchor tag inside the list item. In this case it's a, and let's text decoration will be none. Okay, and let's add important. Oops. Okay, let's save, let's get back, and let's reload. Okay, now it's good. So basically we are displaying these icons. So basically we can change the color of these icons from our customizer dashboard basically, or we can add or apply a style and change this for you know what, we can just add a style here, and let's say color would be white. Okay, let's go on save, reload. Now it's displaying these icons. Also, you can add an option inside your inside your dashboard or inside your customizer and change the color of these icons. So it will override this style. Okay, so I think that's it. I think that's it for this section. You can add, of course, a layout or overlay color. You can change the overlay color. You can change the image background. You can change the text, of course. You can change a lot of things actually. You can go ahead and add that options inside, as well as the other for these sections. So I think that's it for this video. In the next video, I will add some options in the header, and then we can finish this series. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next.